I'm not saying that most hacking scenes in movies are fake, but like 99% of them are. Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Edwin Pagan, and in this video, we're going to be watching a hacking scene from the movie Ocean's 8 featuring Rihanna, in which she does some hacking. I haven't seen this clip before, so I'm going to give you my honest take as a IT professional slash IT security guy slash IT guru slash I don't know what I'm doing half the time slash I Google every problem slash. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Data and information provided on edwinpagan.com and YouTube are for informational purposes only. Anytime the word hacking is used on this video, it shall be regarded to as ethical hacking. Use these skills to pay the bills ethically, folks. Enjoy. I'm excited to do this. I've always wanted to do one of these reaction videos, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Riri, where you at, Riri? Here we go. All right. Well, you look like a hacker, ma'am. I'm just saying. All right, so she's doing a personal directory lookup. All right, she's trying to find someone's name. All right. Bet. Visual matrix designed to pound the head. Okay, well that's pretty accurate. So what she's doing is she's doing social engineering slash open source intelligence gathering. All right. That's when you use the open sources of the internet to find information on someone, right? So you found out where he worked at through LinkedIn, found him on Facebook, and now she's finding out that homie likes dogs. That's cool. Alright. It appears that she's creating like a flyer. Alright, this is definitely gonna be like a website. Bet. Now, she could have used Squarespace, and if I was sponsored by Squarespace, I would plug them right now, but I'm not. Alright, so this is an IT administrator or like some guy. This is pretty accurate. Most people in offices love to eat and get all that food all over the keyboard. It's disgusting. I hate it, bro. It's just disgusting. Alright, so he's opening up this email, which is weird how this email just got through this corporate filter, but hey, you know, it's not like it's the government or anything. So, boom. Alright, cool. So that's what we call kind of like a baiting trick, but it's also remote code execution, or like an RAT tool, remote access tool. So what this does is that when the user executes this application on his computer, or opens the attachment, it's going to execute code in the background and install a program in the background, which in turn, if I'm not mistaken, is going to allow her to remotely access his computer. Let's take a look. Among many things, because she accesses webcam. That's kind of weird. And let's take a look. Oh, he left his computer unlocked. Guys, lock your computers. Where I'm from, if you leave your computer unlocked and you walk away, we touch your wallpaper, we change your calendar, invites, etc. Don't leave your computer unlocked. Bad security practices. Alright, so she's trying to crack into something. Okay, so I'm going to be honest with you guys. I have zero idea what that is, and that's not how password brute force attacks work, but... And now I guess she's getting the layout of the place. And I think that's the extent of it. Alright, so a couple things, guys. Alright, first of all, I'm not going to lie to you. It's a pretty accurate scene. Alright, it's very plausible. It's very possible for something like this to occur. And the reason I say that is because, so remote access tools are very, very popular. Email phishing is very, very popular. Social engineering is one of my favorite methods of attack. It's extremely popular. The reason that it's not, in my opinion, accurate is because in a corporate environment, that email would have never gone through. That method of attack, which is remote code execution, wouldn't work. Most modern systems with Symantec endpoint protection, with things like Microsoft Enhanced Mitigation Exploitation Tool, that type of code execution does not work. The system will shut down and be like, whoa, 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 what is this, homie? And it will shut down the system immediately, right? But as a proof of concept, very accurate, because that method of attack is very spot on in the sense of like, you can send someone a PDF file with code in it, then they execute it. You can leave a USB drive laying around the parking lot. I'm just plugging a video that I have. I actually have a video about that method of attack. But you can leave a USB drive laying around the parking lot. Someone picks it up, puts it in their computer, and it executes code. So it's a pretty accurate method of attack. The fact that she was able to access his webcam, also part of what those type of tools can do. The password hacking scene, Not so much. And these are my jazz hands. Not so much, fam. You would need to use something like Hashdump. But there's so many brute force tools out there. That little device that she was using, I don't know what that was. I thought that was a scale for a second. I was like, is she about to start weighing something? Or like I thought it was an external drive. That's not an accurate tool that would be used to brute force a system, especially if you're remotely accessing that system already. So second, like, you think that like she would just like install a keylogger on the system to kind of like access his, you know, his passwords that he's typing in. But all in all, I want to say like 90% accurate. And Rihanna's very beautiful. She dated Drake, which makes her even more amazing. But I'm a Drake fan, guys. Listen, I'm just saying. But that being said, not a bad hacking scene. I've seen way worse, and I'm gonna show you those way worse videos in the next couple of videos I'll be posting. But I wanted to do my first reaction to a hacking scene, and pretty spot on. So 90% on this. I say 90% accuracy. Guys, if you like these videos, especially if you like this scene, I have a video completely dedicated to this specific type of method of attack, which is webcam hacking. Check that out if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, all that stuff that YouTubers are supposed to say. Do all that. What else am I supposed to say? I'm new to this, guys. What am I supposed to say? Nothing else? I bet. Guys, y'all have been fun. Guys and gals, y'all have been fun. My name is Edwin Pagan. Till next time, take care. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.